'Tis the season for turkey, and then, of course, holiday shopping. But some say 2020 may have killed Black Friday forever as shoppers flocked online during the pandemic. Bertha Coombs joins us right now with more. And Bertha, I have to say, after covering Black Friday for more than 20 years at this point, it feels like it's going to be pretty anticlimactic this Black Friday.
Yeah, it sort of feels like every other day has been Black Friday this year. And it's because Amazon, Walmart, Target, and Best Buy all started talking about holiday sales in mid-October. And we're literally buying it, according to Adobe Analytics, especially online. In the first 3 weeks of November, Americans have already spent $58 billion on online holiday sales. That's an average of about $2 billion a day. And starting this week, that spending is expected to ramp up 50% to an average of $3 billion a day. Though we won't see those doorbuster crowds due to COVID that we've gotten used to over the years, more than half of Gen Z and millennials surveyed by Deloitte say they plan to shop in store on Friday morning. But Adobe Analytics says we're going to drop a record $10 billion online Friday and another $12.7 billion Cyber Monday, the biggest shopping day of the year now. While Santa, meantime, has reindeer. We talked about those shipping costs being a big factor. Retailers are pairing with delivery firms now to try to avoid shipping bottlenecks. For Target, buying delivery service Shipped has really paid off big with same-day delivery this year. Huge jump in that. Macy's has teamed up with DoorDash. Best Buy is partnering with Instacart to try to get that same edge. UBS analyst Mark Lasher says the services are a plus right now, and you really need all of these solutions. But for the retailer, it's a little bit of dealing with a frenemy. The key is that making sure that they maintain the customer data and relationship over time, because that is the real valuable asset here, that customer data, Becky.
Hey, Bertha, I heard Brian talking with an analyst in the last hour, and the analyst said that the big shopping item on Black Friday is going to be apparel. Brian made a great point, which is, who needs new clothes? We're all wearing the same stupid thing again and again. It's not like we have anywhere to go. I thought maybe, electronics would be a bigger draw.
But that's it. We're all wearing
games to play, phones.
We're wearing the same thing again and again. I think there's a little bit of pent-up demand. Macy's was saying they think this time next year, you're going to see huge pent-up demand. If there's, a vaccine and most people are vaccinated, they're going to want to get out. I think the fact that we're not spending on travel makes people decide that they want to treat themselves. And what's interesting is when you look at, for example, Nordstrom's results, they had better results in their full price than they did in their off-price sales. So I think people are sort of substituting and saying, all right, I'm stuck at home. I can't go out. At least I'll wear a nice sweater or buy, I bought shoes. I don't know. The shoes make me happy. Nobody sees them, but they make me happy.
Story, I think it was over the week. Yeah, I saw a Wall Street Journal story over the weekend about people who were dressing up again just to go pick up the kids somewhere just because, hey, sick of not dressing up. And I will say my son a couple of times dressed up for dinner, which totally shocked me. I didn't think he had it in him.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.